Hi guys, in this video we will see how you can track website visitors without using any services like Google Analytics and keep all the data to yourself in your website. So without wasting further time, let's get to it. I am gonna create a new site here on InstaWP. This is a Sandbox installation. So if you want to do that, you can do it with me. And let me just log into the installation which we just created. Okay, so the very essential thing to remember here is that we'll be using plugins. So the plugins that we'll use there are many actually for analytics and these privacy friendly plugins basically for analytics. So I have a few in mind which I have personally have experience with, and I've seen them in this analytics thing. They're properly well built for everything you need. So there's one that is very simple, and then there's one that kind of matches with what Google Analytics offers. So yeah, so we'll look at the simple one first, and then we'll go to the Google Analytics one. So let me just search analytics here, and then we'll see many plugins available. So you're just gonna ignore all of this. So the first plugin I'm gonna take a look is Koko Analytics, and then the second one will be Matomo Analytics. So let's first install both of these. You can search separately both of them, and then we'll take a look at both of them one by one. Alright, so let's go to our plugins page and then hit activate for Koko Analytics. We have it activated. Let's go to the settings. As you can see, it says okay, so there's the stats in this first tab actually, and the settings tab has a few options, and then also this warning that says plugin is not currently optimized, tracking endpoints. I think it's just an error from the developer side, because the most times when I see in the FTP, the file has been created already, and it also says here that please note that this is entirely optional and only recommended for high traffic website. But just so in case, you can copy this and then go to your FTP. I'm just gonna use this InstaWP's code editor and then see if the file has been created. If not, create one. Then see, it is created. Let's refresh this. Okay, yeah, as you can see, it says the plugin is currently using an optimized tracking endpoint. Alright, so that's it, I think, for this one. Now, if you were to open this website, let me open this in another browser, we'll see that the tracking is working fine. Okay, so let me refresh this page. Okay, as you can see here, it is being tracked. So this is a very simple tracking. Right here you see that there are the pages, and then there's some other data such as referrals. So this is Koko Analytics in a nutshell. The second plugin is Matomo Analytics. So let's activate that one as well. I think this has a few bits of onboarding things, I think. So let's do that. And then, okay, as you can see, it redirected us to this get started onboarding page. The first thing is to enable tracking. Let's do that. And then the second step is to have this shortcode outputted somewhere, or by adding the Matomo opt-out block if you're using the block editor on somewhere like a privacy page or something, so that if users want to opt out of this tracking, they can. Okay, so I think this is pretty much it. It says that there are some errors. That is because of the InstaWP restrictions. But I think in most of your servers that are like well built, this won't be an issue. All right. So let's get ahead and open this reporting page in a new tab, because that's where the reporting is. So they have this whole separate full screen experience for the reporting, and it's very similar to what Google Analytics has. So yeah, and it has quite a few tracking features. So let's just wait for it to open. And why it's taking so much time. Okay, so as you can see, it says no visitors right now, but we'll look into that. We just installed it. So as you can see here, it is the visitors data, the behavior data, the acquisition data. You must be familiar with this because if you have used Google Analytics previously. So let's go back to our dashboard and refresh the page we have open in Chrome, and hopefully this will update here as well. Let me refresh this. And yes, I think we are. Yeah, as you can see here, it says the direct entry for the visit we just did. That is from India, and the browser and the operating system, etc. There's quite a few data, and this is all self-hosted. Like, we are not sharing anything with the Matomo servers, and this is all in our own database and everything. So you can go through all of this in detail later on. So these are the two plugins I wanted to show you for this. You can use them as you wish, whichever one you like, and they both can run together significantly if you want to try both of them out, and then select which one to keep later on. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another one. Have a good day.